MassDOT has 1,400 plows at the ready for tomorrow, and people were heading to the hardware stores tonight for the snow removal at home. WBZ's Tiffany reports from Worcester, where the city is ready for the storm.
People here in Worcester might not be mentally ready, but they have been spending the last couple of days getting everything they need for the winter weather. From snow blowers to shovels and salt, they're ready for this weekend. At the Home Depot in Worcester, the Torcano family is gearing up for the slushy mess, loading up their car with plenty of shovels and snow melt.
We're getting ready for it. Hopefully they can go out and shovel and play in the snow.
Cleaning up is a struggle, but then playing in the snow is really fun.
I like this one. From the cleanup to something a bit more festive.
Sort of some snow, I guess.
Not ready for that. Families have been rushing to the Christmas tree lot, hoping to decorate their homes before the winter storm hits.
Oh, look at that. We went to the store already. We did everything that we're supposed to do before it comes tomorrow.
Public Works crews in Worcester are working around the clock, too.
All the activity right now is behind the scenes, getting the equipment ready, salt barns ready, contractors signed up. As the rain transitions to heavy snow Saturday, they're preparing to deploy 325 pieces of equipment throughout the city, plowing and treating the roadways in rough conditions.
Given that it has the potential to be 2 inches an hour, and I even saw one report that said potentially 3 inches an hour, you know, that's very difficult to travel when it's that intense.
The city of Worcester will be issuing a parking ban, opening up their garages so crews can clean the roadways safely. From Worcester, I'm Tiffany Chan for WBZ News.